So a recent trip of mine was up to Auckland for a conference, and I was there for a few extra days to do some sightseeing. So I took the ferry out to Rangitoto Island. I'm in search of the local bird life, and I was not disappointed. Lots of interesting things to see there, and as also the geology is quite interesting. So it's a 600-year-old volcanic island. Lots of basalt pebbles all over the place, but lots of vegetation has taken over, and therefore lots of birds, as you can see. But what was the most bizarre thing was some of the brown quails I ran into as I walked around the island. So here's that footage. Okay, so we have some rather friendly New Zealanders. Okay, and looks like he's going back for another look. Yeah, keep coming closer. Keep coming, yes, yes. Yeah, so now he's literally a footstep away. You're too close. How am I supposed to take photos of you when you come this close? Move further away. I mean, I guess I can put the 50mm lens on and... Yeah, so that was very unexpected behaviour, and I proceeded to take off the telephoto lens, put on the 50mm lens, and get some nice close-ups. I did later talk to a local bird watcher, and he confirmed that that wasn't their normal behaviour. They must have obviously been fed by some of the tourists. So it's a shame, but it was an interesting experience nonetheless, as they circled me looking for food.